So I want to say just a couple more things about exercise 11 that we already solved. We solved exercise 11 and we got the linear speed of 1,000 centimeters per second. We were allowed to choose the units for that problem. And I guess I just want to think about, well, what if they told us the units we had to use? So for instance, what if they said we had to express the answer in kilometers per hour? And I just want to make sure you see that once you find 1,000 centimeters per second, you can convert to other units using this unit analysis technique that I've been talking about. So what we're going to do is make that change here. We're going to take our 1,000 centimeters per second, which I can write as 1,000 cm over 1 second. And we're going to multiply by units, and it actually will take several steps here. We can take as many steps as we want. And we want to get to the point where we have so many kilometers per hour. So I want centimeters to cancel. I want seconds to cancel out. And I want to end up with kilometers in the numerator and hours in the denominator. And you can, again, do this in several steps. So for instance, let's see, I know 100 centimeters equals a meter. So I could write, now I want centimeters to cancel, so I want to end up with, I want centimeter units below. 100 centimeters equals 1 meter, so I can multiply by that. But now I really don't want meters, I want kilometers, so I'm going to multiply by another fraction where I now want meters to cancel. And I think 1,000 meters is 1 kilometer, or kilometer. And so in 2 steps here, I'm able to cancel centimeters, meters, and I got my kilometers. Now I want seconds to go away. So I want to write seconds above because I want seconds to cancel. And I know that 60 seconds equals 1 minute. And so I'm going to do the time in a couple steps also. And now I don't want minutes, I want hours. I want minutes to cancel. So I need to get minutes in my next fraction above to cancel with the minutes in the denominator here. And I want to end up with hours. And of course 60 minutes makes 1 hour. So here, if I take 1,000 times 1 times 1 times 60 times 60 over, what do I have, 1 times 100 times 1,000 times 1 times 1. That's going to give me this answer in kilometers per hour. And I'll let you check the arithmetic there. I think this will all come out to be 36 kilometers per hour. So if they had asked me for these units, I could have started out in exactly the same way we did it when we did the original exercise 11 and gotten centimeters per second. And then if they were asking for kilometers per hour, I would have just made the conversion at the end.